Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 19th of October. In this short video we're going to look at one of the minor currency crosses. We're going to look at the pound against the Indian rupee. What we'll see is that although the longer term trend still looks positive for the pound, the chart looks like it's going up on the long term. In the short term, we've lost upside momentum. In fact, we've got negative momentum. It could be a flag and the start of a downtrend. And on the 4-hour, we see we're at a critical level as all the moving averages are together and we've just moved below them. Let's look at those charts. So here we're starting on the weekly picture. So each candle represents 1 week's trade. And you can see that the pound had a very good couple of weeks at the start of September, and it's now consolidated. It got slightly overbought. It's coming back. There is supports coming in at the 84. And the 20-week moving average is at 84.15 with the 50 83.59. So generally the picture is okay. The 200 week is moving down, but that's a long way away. Momentum wise, we've still got positive momentum. RSI 56.01 and the MACD short term above the long term, and they're above zero. On the daily, you can see that we've fallen and we've gone sideways. This could very well be a flag. Be aware of that. If it is a flag, it's the start of a movement down. The next break could be downwards. It would have been an upward flag if it had just flagged up here at the 88 level, and then that would have been a step for the next level, but we've broken down, having a flag now, and it could be a negative move to the downside. You can see that the 20-day moving average has rolled over, but the 50-day is now obviously is the support that's moving up, and we could see a pincer formation between these as they get close to the pound INR spot level. The 20 days at 86.51 and the 50-day 84.89. Momentum has been lost. You can see the RSI has fallen. It's trading sideways, but it is below 50, 48.74. And the MACD as well are tracking down, short term below the longer term in a negative formation, indicative of negative momentum. Now on the 4-hour, which is the chart here, you can see that we're at a critical level. All the moving averages, the 20, 50 and 200, are very close together. To this morning, the spot has gone below those moving averages, so they're now all resistance. Obviously the 20 is moving down. That's the only one moving down at the moment. The 50 and the 200 are still moving up. So if we can get back above there, they could be they could give support. But the trouble is, as we're below, if we start to accelerate to the downside, they will roll over and be all negative. Obviously at the moment just the 20 is the negative factor. That's at 85.83, so marginally above the market. On the RSI, again it's showing negative momentum. Present levels 46.65. MACD are flat lining, but they are below zero. Concern on this chart is that if it is a flag and we do break to the downside, break below these lows here would signify that. So certainly below 85.5, you could then see an acceleration to the downside. Looking at the support and resistance levels, first resistance is the 50 of the 4-hour, 85.97. Then the 20-day comes into play, 86.51, with supports from the 6th of October, 85.22, and the 50-day, 84.88. 9. So that's been TA for traders, having a look at the pound against the Indian rupee. The main points from the video: is it a flag in a downtrend? We could get a pincer formation between the 20 and the 50. On the 4 hour, all the moving averages together, which usually is critical for a market. Upside momentum has been lost. However, in the long term, the trend remains okay. Many thanks for watching this video. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. I don't just cover currency markets, I also cover commodities, stock indices and single stocks in the UK and the US. Many thanks for watching.